Hey, what's up, everybody? We got another Finance Friday going on right now. If you want to see what's going on with my November budget, let's see what my November goals are. Just stick around, and right after this. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of, because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So here we go again. We got a Finance Friday video. This is going to be a short one because I really don't have much going on. I don't get paid till next week, so I'm not really making many money moves. But I wanted to come on here, and I see everybody's doing all their November goals. So I wanted to come on and, tell my goals. So for starters, once again, big thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. We're going to do the likes challenge on this video again, just like we did last time. So, hey, let's jump right into it. So for starters, I'm going to do my shout outs right here at the beginning. That way, just in case that retention drops off, hey, shout outs came first. So first, we're going with Mystic Budgets. She's almost to 900 subs last I seen. So she's getting real close to that 1,000 mark. She is active everywhere. She's very supportive. She's a cash stuffer, a budgeter. Go check out her channel. Give her a big thumbs up. Give her a like. Let's get her to that 1,000 mark. I'll leave the link to her channel down in the description. Second one, we're going to go with Nora the Stock Explorer. She gave me a tip today on a stock tip, so we're going to see how it does. We're going to see what Wish does for me. I got it at $4.91. It was $4.96 last I seen, or $4.98, one or the other. We're going to see what it does. Hopefully it pops before earnings. So, yeah, Nora the Stock Explorer, she's super busy, and she'll do her live streams, and she's trying to give everybody, tips that she learns, stuff that she learns about the stock market, and dropping tips, dropping hints, and she just got a great channel, Go check her out also. So there we go. And let's see, one more name pop up. Sarah Jacobson, cash stuffer, small YouTuber. She's real great. She's got a great personality. I was watching one of her old videos, and I still want to see if she does a Q&A on it, where she did a Q&A before, and she did the answers, and I want to see if she'll do it, 4 years later, answer how much of it she's actually done. So go check those 3 channels out: Mystic Budgets, Nora the Stock Explorer, and Sarah Jacobson. Yeah, let's do the likes. So I had 60 likes. Once again, no dislikes. I'm thinking that she who shall not be named is trying to throw us off. So, no dislikes. But we got 60 likes. So that's $60. The emergency fund was at $535. So the $60 puts it at $595. What do we got here? We got a 10. So that's 60 plus 10. That's going to be 70. So that's going to put us at $605 on the emergency fund. Awesome. That is awesome. I want to thank each and every one of you that gave me a big thumbs up that's watching my channel. That's great. This emergency fund is popping off like crazy. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to get the money to put it for this week. I'll probably rob Peter over there, then put it in, rob Peter to pay my emergency fund. But I got something somewhere. I'll just take it from there and move it over. So there we go. 70. Same thing with this video. Give it a big thumbs up. However many likes we get for this video, the $1, like I said before. And I want to say I hit 312 subs. So that's awesome. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. It's just hard to believe. 300. I remember when I was like, woohoo, I got 100, then 200, now 300. I mean, pretty soon it's going to be 500. That's you guys are amazing. So let me get to my November budget, or my November goals. So like I said, I don't get paid till next week, so I'm not really making any money moves or nothing like that. But my goals, like I said in the last Finance Friday, 10 no spends. So far, Monday I had a no spend. Thursday and Friday, today, I had no spends. So I'm at 3 no spends. Tuesday and Wednesday, we had to buy dinner. Something came up. Wife ended up having a meeting for the a memorial that she's a part of. So she had to she had a meeting for that. So she got dinner at the local bar where they had the meeting. And then Wednesday, I had to stop and buy some stuff for my lunches at Save a Lot. So, but hey, I got those Ibotta awards. So I was using those and my Fetch rewards and all that stuff. Snap pictures, get some money back. If you want to use those referral links, get you some free money. I mean, all you do is snap a receipt. Free money. You can't beat it. I mean, I can't believe I took this long. For 3 years, I was hearing about Fetch and Ibotta and all these different things. And I'm like, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. And now that I do it, I'm sitting here. I'm a Fetchaholic. And I'm trying to push it all onto you. I'm like a Fetch dealer pushing the Fetch rewards onto everybody. So yeah, go down there if you don't have it, man. You got to get it. It's great. It's so simple. You snap the receipt, take the picture of it, bing bang boom. They give you gift cards. You can't beat that. So where was I at? I'm talking about my goals. Man, I get rambling about Fetch. You know, I'm shaking. Y'all got any more of those Fetch rewards? So, 10 no spends. I'm at 3. I'm going to exercise daily. I've done that so far, you know, which I don't know, you really can't tell, but I've been exercising. I want to be more intentional with my budget. That's why I'm writing it down. I've got all my bills over here. I'm writing down the day the bills come out. I've been watching my bank statement. I'm going to write the bills down on the day, what they are, stuff like that. I mean, I know them all, but I want to be more intentional. And what I mean by me being more intentional, like I get paid on the 12th, next Friday. Thursday, when I get the email with my pay slip that tells me how much I made, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to say, okay, these are my sinking funds. I'm putting X amount of money into this sinking fund, X amount of money into this, just like I see all these cash stuffers do right before they get to their budgets. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to be more intentional with my budget. I've said small increments, they add up, but I need to start doing it because I need to get out of my mind that I have to put $10, $15, $20 in a sinking fund. Otherwise, it's not worth it. So I'm going to start doing it. I want to break it up so that everything gets something. I'm being more intentional with my side hustles. So I'm researching side hustles. That's everything in here. So I'm researching side hustles. I've got a book that I'm writing. I've been editing it and rewording it. And then it's going to take a while because I'm doing it like page by page. And then I put it into this paper rater online and then it rates it. Then I go back and fix what it says to fix. That way it'll flow a little better. And then I can go and then I can send it to somebody that actually knows what they're doing to look at it and edit it and say, hey, this would make it flow better and blah, blah, blah. So that's one of the things I'm looking at. I'm looking at more side hustles because I got that 0 to 1 million challenge and I got to start making some money on that. Right now I'm building the foundation, but you know, pretty soon got to start making some money. But that's it. Those are my goals. That's my November, what is it? Today's the 5th. That's my Finance Friday check-in, November 5th. So there we go. 10 no spends, exercise daily, more intentional with my budget, and more intentional researching those side hustles and actually working on stuff. So, all right, everybody. Y'all have a good Friday. Y'all have a good weekend and go out there and get it. All right.